Hi, my name is Devan Patterson. I'm a Business Central consultant with Sabre Limited, and in this video, I wanted to go over a common issue I've been seeing lately with the Edit in Excel feature. So I'm on an assembly bomb here. I'm just going to click the Share button, and then I'm going to click Edit in Excel. So what the problem is people have been opening this up, and they're not getting that add-in pane on the right that actually establishes that data connection and allows you to actually do any of the Edit in Excel features. So I'll enable editing. I'm going to get it here because I have that add-in, but I'm going to close this out and show you what to do if you don't have it, if that doesn't pop up for you. So up here in the top right, you should see an add-ins button that you can click on. From here, I'm just going to go ahead and click more add-ins at the bottom. Then we'll let this load. Okay. When you get here, you just want to go to the search and look for Microsoft Dynamics, and it'll pop up right here. So it's called the Microsoft Dynamics Office add-in, and like it says here, it lets you read, analyze, and edit data from Microsoft Dynamics systems, which is Business Central. So we can click here, and you can click to download it. I already have it, so I'm not going to download it or anything. Then you should be able to have this add-in. You can open it up, and you should have that pane. You'll be able to sign in using your Microsoft 365 or your Business Central credentials, and it'll actually populate, and you'll have all your data here. Then you'll actually be able to make any of your edits and updates and publish and all that. So it should work for you after that. If it's still not working for you, you can absolutely reach out to myself. You can reach out to the YouTube channel or reach out to us at sabrelimited.com. All right, thank you.